What's up, everybody? It's Patrick coming at you from the Laser Maker's Realm, feeling much better than I have been feeling, so that's a good thing. Today, I have a short video for you. We're going to make a dog tag. I'm going to show you how to make one real quick. All you need is, I think, 3 shapes and Boolean tools, and boom, you've got a dog tag. But I'm also going to give you a free file, and it has the Granddaughter dog tag, with the saying complete and ready for you. Don't worry if you don't have the fonts, because I used a bunch of different fonts. LightBurn will convert it to a path for you, so don't worry about the fonts. You'll be good to go. And don't worry about any errors on the LightBurn file. If I decide to share that, just because I'm using a different version, you don't have to worry about that either. And it doesn't matter what laser you use, whether it's a diode, CO2 galvo, fiber laser, whatever, you can use this graphic on your next project. You can even just take the quote or the letters, the saying, and put it on something totally different. So it's up to you, whatever you want to do. With that being said, let's hop into LightBurn. Not Easter, but we're going to do some hopping anyway. And then I'm not going to burn anything. I just want to show you quickly how to make this dog tag shape, and then provide you the file. Then hopefully you'll go to the Laser Makers Realm Facebook group and post pictures of what you make, because we'd love to see it. Alright, let's get into LightBurn. Okay, and we are here in LightBurn. I have 4 dog tags set up for you. They're the same, but if you decide you want to do 2 different layers and you want to do a relief with this particular model here, and then you want to do the positive with this model here, you can do the positive and negative and cut out 2 separate ones, or make them the same, have a lighter engraving in the green area and then a darker engraving in the letters. It's up to you, whatever you want to do. But like I said, there's a bunch of different fonts there, and we're just going to need to start off with 3 shapes, 2 circles and 1 rectangle. So just draw your circle, hold shift, and draw yourself a circle. We can worry about the size in a minute. And then get yourself another little circle, and then make yourself a rectangle. And you don't need to hold shift for that, because we want a rectangle, not a square, even though a rectangle is a square. I remember my geometry. So there's our square, and the approximate dog tag size is 43 by 22. That's typical size for a dog tag. So I start with a 51 by 22 rectangle and a 45 millimeter circle. And then for our little cutout, I normally do about 4 millimeters. Yep, that was pretty close. So all we have to do, let me get my extra shapes out of the way so you don't have to look at those. Line up your circle where you want it to be in your dog tag. And then line up your circle where you want it to be in this tag. And if you line them up fairly consistent, when you drag them over top of each other and get them to line up momentarily, I just use my arrow keys, we end up with this shape. So then all we need to do is use our Boolean tools, and we're going to do shape A minus shape B. So hold shift, click your second shape, and then we're going to subtract. Uh-oh, what do we do now? Well, we don't have to do anything. If that happens, you hit Control Z and you're right back to where you were, and then you can click the next one. And then bada bing, bada boom, you've got your dog tag. So how's that? Quick, easy dog tag, ready to burn. Matches up with that, so you've got your basic dog tag shape. If you want to make it wider, narrower, skinnier, whatever you want to do, you can do that however you like. And that's it. There's a dog tag. And here's the saying: granddaughters, always remember, you are braver. Bleh. Granddaughter, always remember, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you know. So if you want to see me cut this out and do some acrylic fill and test some Harbor Freight acrylic, head over to my channel. I'll have video up soon showing you how to do that. And that's it. Quick, simple, cool little file. Make your dog tags. They're going to be awesome. On my channel, I'm going to show you how to cut those out of acrylic. So say you have a fiber laser and you have your diode or CO2. You can take your fiber laser, engrave that on a metal dog tag. That's the one your granddaughter will keep. That's one she puts away and she doesn't lose. Then you can make one on acrylic or wood, put that on a little chain or rope necklace, something like that, with a safety breakaway. And then that's the one she can wear out and about, and if it gets lost, well, that one's easily replaceable. Not as much as a metal one that's meant to be as a keepsake memento that you have for your whole life. So that is it. I thank you for watching. Head on over to youtube.com/@LSEngraving. That'll be my channel. I'll put a link in the description. And check out part 2 of this little video series on these Granddaughter dog tags. Thanks. Have a great day.